In this presentation, I'm going to share with you how you can start a side hustle while keeping your day job. Being dependent on a single source of income is never a good idea. Why? Because you can easily lose your job. If your boss doesn't like your performance at work, you could get fired. If you call in sick far too often, you could easily be replaced by someone healthier. What happens to your income then? Simply put, you can lose everything at once. So to prevent this from happening, it's best to engage in some side hustles that will help diversify your income source. In the unfortunate event you lose your job, you're not going to be in too tight a spot simply because you've got another way to earn money. Now, starting a side hustle doesn't have to be all that hard. To begin with, you can list down the things you want to do in your spare time. If you like kids, then maybe you want to babysit. If you like dogs, then you may want to try out dog walking. Alternatively, if you've got more specialized skills, then think of side jobs that will put your skills to good use. For instance, if you love writing, then you may want to start your own blog or write for other people. While blogging may provide you with a more passive form of income, it's going to take some time, months, and maybe even years before your blog becomes profitable. But if you find paying clients who are willing to pay your rate, then you can easily become profitable. Once you've decided on a side hustle, then it's time to market yourself. Let people know you're open for business. Promote it on social media. You can also sign up for various workplaces where potential clients can easily look up your profile. Once you get the ball rolling and you pick up your first client, make sure you do a great job. Impress them so they're more likely to leave positive feedback on your profile. Now, having a side hustle while working a full-time job isn't going to be easy. If your day job matters to you, then make sure your side hustle doesn't interfere with your production at work. Learn to prioritize, and you'll soon have a couple of healthy income streams.